Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about doing some dictation or transcribing functions in word processing. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work with Word. So I'm going to go to mymuskegoncc.edu. I'm going to log into MyMCC. And once I get there, I'm going to go ahead and go again to my campus email. And then I'm going to go to my Microsoft Word app launcher, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Word. And just want to kind of give you a little demo of how some of these things work. So I'm going to go to Create Blank Document. Now, I know some of you all type really well, and I know some of you all are doing single finger typing. If you're a single finger typer, you probably need to work on your typing skills. Typing skills will make you or break you in college. One thing I try to tell people is if you can just practice typing even 10 minutes a day, do that every day, sometimes day and night, that can actually improve typing. One thing I highly suggest is there is a wonderful website called typing.com. Typing.com offers free instruction in how to type, and like I said, learn to type faster and easier for free. It's really user friendly. You can start typing today. You just click. You don't even need an account, although you can get an account if you want. Like, it signs up for free. It tracks your progress and things like that. Just gives you little exercises, like you can click, working on J and F and then U and R, and slowly over time it'll give you little games. Then it'll build up. You start using commas and things. I mean, it's just very progressive, very organic, and it's a great way to learn to type. And they have tests and they have lessons, and it's just wonderful. Even if you're an advanced typer like myself or typist like me, you can click advanced. You can help make things faster. You can work on accuracy. It's a really great site. Highly recommend it. If you have some issues immediately and you need to just be cranking out papers and you're not a good typer, I highly recommend using voice dictation. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do it. There's also a couple different platforms. The first one I'm going to show you, if I go to my Home tab here, is Microsoft Word. This actually has a dictate function. So if I click it, it's going to say, do you want to use it? I'll say, yeah, so I'm going to allow this time. Now it's going to auto turn off because I'm using my mic right now, but you can actually click it and it will type as you talk. So you talk through your speaker in your laptop, or if you can get a external microphone for your desktop. This will even work with a Chromebook in some cases. It will dictate anything that you say, and it will go really fast. I'm going to try one more time, see if I can get it to work. Hello, period. My name is Dr. Tom Henry, and I'm here to teach you about typing and voice dictation, period. Now, one thing you'll notice is it won't give me the period, but I can use that as a placeholder. So I can go here and again here. It also won't correct certain things. For example, it didn't add the capital name or capital letters to my name. It didn't put the comma in the break. So you'd have to go through and work with this. You could also use an AI to improve this and kind of, sparse it out or kind of fix it up for you. But this is a great way to go through and draft. Sometimes I'm just trying to take some notes on some things coming up, so I'll just turn on the dictate and just, talk, and then I'll go through and fix it up. So this is a really good program, and it works really seamlessly. There's also some settings here. You can change the microphone, you can change the language you're speaking, you can enable auto punctuation. So yeah, it even has the auto punctuation. I don't even need to say period, so maybe it'll actually do it itself. Actually, let's try it. Let's say, hello. My name is Dr. Tom Henry, and I'm here to teach you about typing and voice dictation. Nope, not showing up. Yeah, so again, technology. Okay, another place where you can get this style of dictation, and one that I highly recommend, is actually Google. Google has a equivalent of Word. If you haven't used it, it's Google Docs. You can use Google Docs. It's really a wonderful program. I'm going to click blank document and just show you real quick. If you go to Tools and you go to where it says, let's see, it should be there. Am I not seeing it? No, let's see. Oh, I gotta go down. There it is. Sorry guys, gotta scroll down. Go to voice typing, click on voice typing, and there it is. And what you do is you click to speak. What's really ingenious about this is that this will add the punctuation symbols as you tell the computer. So let me just show you. Hello, exclamation point. My name is Dr. Tom Henry, and I'm here to teach you about typing, period. Well, first of all, you don't need to type, period. You can actually use the auto dictate function in several different kinds of word processors, period. There's also some apps online, but they're not as reliable, period. Isn't that great? And it'll just keep up with as fast as you can talk, it'll type. And again, you may need to go and kind of, fix some things. For example, I'm going to indent my paragraphs, stuff like that. But it's really wonderful. So go ahead and try it out, especially if you're still using those index fingers, or even if you just want to kick back and open up a cold one and just let her just stream of consciousness and just blab. It'll help you. I find that this is really good for drafting. This is also really good for just kind of taking some notes and even just kind of doing a little bit of pre-writing and just kind of throwing out some ideas. This can also be helpful for transcription. We'll talk a little bit later about transcription. Sometimes we have an audio recording and we need to capture what's being said on that audio recording. It's really great to just take the phone or your MP3 player, put it right by your computer microphone, just hit play, and this will start doing all the dictation. It'll start turning all the sounds into words. It's really wonderful. Anyway, have a wonderful day.